If you want to close your career, if you want to get the termination letter, you can submit the fake certificate in the new organization. Many followers sending email to me, I submitted fake certificate in this big organization. Now they identified and asking additional documents from my side, especially PF service history, bank statement and form 26 AS. Sir, how to handle this situation? Okay. Honestly speaking, if you submit fake documents, they will terminate you. If you want to get termination letter, you can submit the fake documents. They will terminate you immediately. From that situation onwards, your career will be closed, which means you start to do some business. Okay. I clearly explained multiple times, people are tracking your past service history, your past experience in the website only. Okay. So don't think people will accept and take your documents from email or through BGV portal and they will accept your onboarding process. They will do verification, which means they will verify each and every documents in the website. If all the information available in the website, especially PF portal, bank, which means net banking and income tax portal is perfectly reflecting, they will allow you. Otherwise, they will fire you. Mostly, they will blacklist you. Please share this video to your friends, allot them. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.